What's up, guys? Today, I'll show you how to download assets on Squarespace in just a few quick steps. First, from your Squarespace dashboard, head to the Asset Library. You'll find this in the left-hand sidebar. Just click on Asset Library or Assets. Once you're in, you'll see a full list of all the images, videos, and files you've uploaded to your website. Next, locate the specific image you want to download. All your assets will appear as thumbnails in either a grid or a list view in the main content area. You can scroll through to find what you need, or if you've got a lot of files, use the search bar at the top of the page to quickly locate the image. If you've organized your media into folders, those folders will appear at the top of the list as well. Once you've found your image, hover your mouse over the thumbnail. When you hover over it, you'll see a 3 dots icon appear. That's your More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots, and a drop-down menu will pop up. From that drop-down menu, click File Details. This will open up a larger preview of your image. You'll see the full image load on your screen. Now for the actual download part. Right-click directly on that large image preview. Your browser's context menu will appear from there. Select Save Image As. Choose where you want to save the file, your Downloads folder, your desktop, wherever works best for you. You can rename the file at this stage too if you want to. Click Save, and the image will download to your device. Head to the folder where you saved it to make sure it downloaded correctly. The image you download will be the original size and quality that you uploaded to Squarespace, so you can reuse it for design, updates, or other projects. Just keep in mind, Squarespace doesn't let you download all images in bulk, so you'll need to do this process for each image individually. Also, this method only works for images, not videos. If you've uploaded videos to Squarespace, make sure you keep your own backup of those files. Thanks for watching. If this was useful, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.